about dolphins, parang ganon. So I opted to search in internet to cater that program also here in the Philippines. Since the next picture, the next destination is Singapore, so medyo mahal. So bakit wala ba dito sa Pilipinas? So it happens na parang yung isang travel agency nag-flash doon sa may email ko. And then nakita ko yung dolphins. Yun, parang nag-search na ako from there, and then nag-plan ako ng trip namin dito para lang madala siya, makita niya up close yung dolphins. Yan. Maganda siya. It's quite, actually on the way here, na-amaze kami sa nature, preserving the forest. And then also is yung program nyo is about environmental preservation, awareness, so mga ganon, yung mga ginagawa natin to affect the animals as well as the environment as a whole. So yun, maganda siya. And then as in mga rare, mga dolphins, mga sea lions, para may mga programs kayo sa other, yung first show nyo. So maganda siya talaga for kids.
Maganda kasi papunta pa lang namin dito. Kumbaga, iba yung hangin kaysa sa, hindi siya polluted yung hangin at saka yung forest talaga is well preserved.
Definitely actually nag-post na kami, and then one of our colleagues said that we will join you, or we will plan our next trip. If for someone like me na may kid, it's advisable. I mean, I recommend it because it's one of the best experience na makikita dito sa Philippines is encounter yung iba't ibang like dolphins and the sea lions, as well as yung environment dito. Maganda yung intention